do a little fun today.
Daddy, it's a new day today.
Yes, this one is slime squirting animals, and with this, the mad scientist, we are going to make eyeball with the slime. Are you ready?
Yeah, I just want you to know.
Okay. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow.
What have you got?
Right. This is mouth to make eyeball.
Okay.
This is ready slime. It's a slim snout. And this one is to make crystals. And this one, the cards.
The instruction cards.
Yes, instruction cards. The mad scientist.
Okay, so Mikael is going to be a scientist today.
Yeah, mad scientist.
Daddy, let's put nosy on Daddy.
Okay, let's put the slime in the nosy and take it out.
And then that fall down.
Oh, what are those? Are those the eyeballs?
Oh yeah, these are eyeballs.
Okay, so we will use these eyeballs to make the eyes.
Yes. Okay, here we go.
Daddy.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Daddy, who like?
Don't move. First, we're going to put the eyeball. One eyeball inside. Okay. And then we're going to put this one.
I put water with. I put water over here.
And then we put half this one.
Now you're going to put it in the water.
Yes.
Yeah? Put it in the water and wait for 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
And then you will get a bouncy
Eyeball.
slimy eyeball.
I like you. What's that?
Yeah, this is a nosy.
Let's open it.
Okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh wow.
Oh.
It's a ball. Where's the eyes? Oh. Ooh. Let's make it dry.
Chew! Mikael, are you feeling a chew?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, let me clean your nose.
Do?
Oh, you got so much mess. You got so much nosy in your nose. Let me clean your nose again. You got so much boogies in your nose. Okay.
Oh, what is this?
Show me your nose. It's clean now. Now it's clean. It's your nosy.
Is it your nosy?
It's dirty.
Okay, let's bring it together.
Oh no, it's not your nosy. What is this?
This is slime.
This is slime.
Oh, look. It's not Boogie, yes, it's not Boogie, it's a slime. I tricked with you.
Daddy tricked you.
Yeah.
Ah.
Catch!
Yes, the slime is snake.
It's a
Oh.
snake! It's not a snake!
Oh, are you scared? Say, I'm a superhero.
Snake, don't wait.
Ooh.
Ah.
It's an ice cream!
It's so jiggly.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check next ball. Oh, look.
That's what slime your boy.
Okay, this is your second eyeball.
Yeah.
Ah, you've got it, Daddy. Gently. Oh, yay! It's an eyeball. Mikael made a bouncy. Wait.
We made eyeball.
Oh.
It's a bouncy. This one is still wet, so let it settle down. And this will be bouncy as well. So this one.
What is this, Mikael?
It's a midnight.
Yeah. Oh wow.
You made these eyeballs from crystals.
So yes.
Yay!
Yay. Good job. Okay.
Mikael, where is the black part of your eyeball?
Daddy.
It's here.
Okay. It's a bouncy
Eyeball.
eyeball. लेकिन होगा bouncy.
Boing, boing, boing. Boing, boing.
Boing, boing, boing. Are you ready
Yes.
to do more slime fun?
Oh
Yes.
yes.
Hello, today's slime. Apple juice.
Yay! Animals. Slime squirting animals. Are you excited?
Yes.
Tell me what color is this? Oh yeah, one by one. It's a green. What color is this? Yellow. What color is this?
It's a purple.
It's purple. What color is this?
It's pink.
Yes.
It's pink.
What color is this?
It's orange.
What color is this?
It's red. It's a peachy.
Pink. And what color is this?
It's a red.
And it's octopus.
Octopus.
And what color is this?
It's the elephant.
Oh yes, elephant. It's aqua green. And this one is green. There's 4 animals. We got 4 animals and 4 colors. Ooh.
Songs and my songs are your songs. The more we sing together, the happier we'll be. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and it dried up all the rain. Then the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Oh, do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Oh, yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Oh, yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on
Okay, we're going to play.
1,
3.
3, 4.
Oh.
What?
It's a rat. Oh wow.
Press the elephant here.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so last one. 1, 2,
2, 3. Squishy squish.
Squish.
Wow.
It's green.
It's green. Oh, it's taking out more. Look, big eye.
Orange.
Mmm.
Yay.
And more. Look. 1, 2, 3. Oh wow.
Go.
Okay, bye bye friends.
So today we had fun with an experiment and squirting slimy animals. So we have a colorful slime.